Team song namin ang anak ko yan.
I have always been a dreamer.
Wow! Talagang I have you!
Follow visions of my home.
I have you!
I was born
Mai!
to belong
Yung kamay ko kasi.
Akin na!
and make them my home.
Ah,
I
dito ka.
believe in happy.
Ah, eto.
Parang may emo siya, no?
Hindi, parang nahuhuli. Ay.
For as rare as I am, like a bright falling star, I found love in you.
Ay, yung cellphone mo, binaba na. At pakikuha mo yung cellphone sa
Sometimes all alone can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the dream so far away.
Ano pala yung carpenter's walang boses eh!
When all to surrender, then something I remember. I have you to save my
May sugat nyo na lang muna po.
Sa ubo?
Ate na. Ate Nani. Ate Nani.
in my imagination.
Kaya ni Ate Nani, nagpapakayo.
Ayoko yung beer nyo.
Anong gusto? May request?
When I felt you were there with your hand in the air,
Si Daddy.
from the start.
I have you, Daddy.
I have you, Daddy.
Sometimes alone, you turn to save me. True love.
Duda.
May tagalog pa.
Si Duda yun, sumasayaw.
Every step along the way. Sometimes being lost what keeps me going, and true
Uy, Mayo, ikaw naman.
from the wind.
Ikaw muna.
I have you to save mommy.
Ganda ng boss natin na honey.
Pang torn between two sounds.
Pang ano ako, pang
Sara ka pala. Saraulo. Sara daw siya, saraulo.
Sara. Sara ang tuktok.
Polo na tayo, dali.